What just happened to the market? Stocks suffered a sharp sell-off Friday, and some analysts say the market may simply have climbed too high, too fast. The Nasdaq had reached its most overbought level since 2002. Semiconductor stocks were trading at extreme valuations, and momentum investors piled into the same winners. Then one surprisingly strong jobs report changed the narrative. The U.S. added 170,000 jobs in May. Unemployment remains resilient. And suddenly investors are asking a different question. What if the Federal Reserve doesn't cut rates at all? In fact, some traders are now pricing in the possibility of future rate hikes. That shift hit growth stocks hard. But there's another major story developing: SpaceX. Elon Musk's highly anticipated IPO could become one of the biggest market events of the decade. Nasdaq has already changed its rules to allow massive new companies like SpaceX into the Nasdaq 100 much faster than before, creating potentially billions of dollars of automatic ETF demand. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 is taking the opposite approach, forcing IPOs to prove themselves before gaining entry. And then there's crypto. Bitcoin has fallen below $60,000, down more than 50% from its highs. Ethereum is down even more. More than $2 trillion has been erased from the crypto market, as investors shift capital toward AI stocks and upcoming opportunities like SpaceX. The big takeaway? Markets may still be in a long-term uptrend, but after a historic run higher, investors are suddenly being forced to reassess valuations, interest rates, IPOs, and where the next wave of capital is headed. The next few weeks could be very interesting.